Start. Hi, today we will unbox Portronics latest smart calling watch Y1 Chronos Y1. It comes in black color and grey color. So I arrange both the models. We'll go with the features. Dial from watch, blood pressure monitor, SpO2 monitor, IP67 heart rate monitor, 200 plus watch faces, inbuilt music controller, multiple sports mode, means it comes with a pedometer, social media, we can track sleep also, POR 1427 for black color and POR 1429 for grey color and MRP 5999. So price excited hai. Now we will unbox. We are unboxing now. See, this is the grey color. Strap, it look very good. Finishing is superb. We will see what we found inside the box. Charging cable, user manual, warranty registration card. So now we will charge the watch. Use any mobile charger or laptop to give power. Button and charger wire remain same side. See, this is button and this is wire. Both remain same. Now display comes. See, curved display. Colors are bright. Hi. See how to increase or decrease brightness. This is the button where we can click and direct. How to change theme. This is by default, it comes with a honeycomb theme and we can shift to 9 place grid theme. See, this is 9 grid, back, and this is honeycomb. Setting, it will show brightness, phone off, call reset, shake, disturb mode, theater mode, dial switch, reset, power off. QR code, about. QR will give you the app. Directly we can scan and get the app. Back. Call enable and disable feature. About watch. And we can download the app. See, this is battery symbol. I just open the box and charge battery only for making video. So right now battery is down. To charge full battery for get the best output. We will download DAFIT app for Y1, available in Play Store and App Store. App is free, so go with DAFIT. Click on this. See, this is DAFIT app. Click. See, watch edit and time set. Once your watch will pair, the date time will set. So it is showing now. We can change watch faces. We can change watch faces from here. Any watch we can, or we can go with the edit. From internet we can download multiple watch faces. See, watch face change, wallpaper change. Now back. Notification. We need to give permission of phone, message, whatever we required. We need to give permission from here. We need to give, if we want to set alarm, like I want to wake up at 7 or 8, so we can set alarm as per our requirement. Shutter, it will help in taking picture. So now if I want to take picture, just click here and it will take picture. Contacts, favorite contacts we can add here so that we can dial directly from watch. So how to add? like I can add what is like generally we go with the, so this number just tick here and done. So one contact added, we can as per our requirement we can save multiple contacts. Other, see there are multi features here like time format, 12 hour, 24 hour, unit system. Quick view. Quick view is your wrist sense. Most of the user will confuse between quick view and wrist sense. If we disable this feature, our wrist sense will not work. So we need to use the button. See, now my wrist sense is not working. If this feature is enabled, my wrist sense will work. See, it is showing notification. We can set time here as per our requirement, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. according to our lifestyle. So after that the screen time will not save. Drink water, it's very good feature. Nowadays lifestyle is very hectic, so it will give us reminder after set time how many times we want to take water, whether we need to set time here like how many times you want to drink and interval. So read set as per your weather, it will show temperature, city. How to activate calling feature in Portronics Y1 calling watch. First we need to click this, click here, you will see this, click enable and disable. This is enable and disable feature, make this enable. Now click next. See, it is sharing request to Bluetooth. So open your phone Bluetooth, find here Chronos Y1. See, Chronos Y1 is showing. Click on this. It will pair in my Bluetooth. It works like a Bluetooth directly. So if, see, it is showing paired. Now if any call comes, I can talk directly. It show call record, dial pad and contact. Save contacts it will show. See, now call comes. So I can talk directly from here. Right now I am dropping this. This is only for notification. So now we will call someone to. Now we will call from Portronics Y1. After enable this, dial. हेलो
हेलो
रोशन,
हाँ जी।
वो जो मैंने आपसे सॉफ्टवेयर की बात की थी वो सॉफ्टवेयर आ गया?
हाँ जी आ गया वो सॉफ्टवेयर, अभी हम आपके लिए तैयार है अभी।
ठीक है, मैं 5 मिनट में आपसे लेता हूँ. थैंक यू फॉर द कंफर्मेशन.
ओके
ओके, सी आई
थैंक यू।
वेलकम. Call disconnected. Now we talk with the watch and volume quality is good. No confusion in that. Thank you. Multi features of 1.75 inch display by one calling feature, music control, step counting, sleep monitor, HR, heart rate. You can check graph also, BP, SpO2. So we can calculate HR, like just wait and it will calculate my heart rate. So my heart rate is 89 and we can see all this data in app also. See, go this home page and sync. So my step is 177, sleep 0, heart rate 89, BP 125/73 and oxygen level 98. So multi features comes in this